Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing the Timetoken T537 carbon fiber watch for you all. The entire watch is made of carbon fiber, ultra light and slim on the wrist, with zero burden, even after long time wear. Made of carbon fiber, the watch boasts high hardness and excellent scratch resistance, so minor daily knocks will hardly leave marks. It features a distinctive matte woven texture with highly recognizable grain, delivering a full-on sporty aesthetic. What's more, it comes with premium sapphire crystal glass. T boasts extreme hardness, which can stand scratches from keys, coins and daily metal objects. Besides, it features high light transmittance, offering clear vision for time reading, and it's wear-resistant for long-term daily use. Equipped with Miyota Cal 8215 automatic movement, 21 joules, 21600 VPH vibration frequency, bidirectional winding, 42-hour power reserve, with shock absorber and hacking seconds, stable and easy to maintain. You can take a close look at the movement details through the transparent case back. The neatly polished automatic rotor and ruby bearings are clearly visible. The sturdy and robust structure makes it perfect for daily commutes and sportswear. The watch case diameter is 40 mm, thickness 12 mm, and the strap width is 20 mm. Pull the crown gently to the first position, rotate clockwise to adjust the date window at the 3 o'clock position. Two. Pull it further to the second position and turn to set the correct time. 3. Remember to push the crown back completely after adjustment. The 40 mm case fits wrist curves perfectly. Light carbon fiber brings low weight. The 20 mm lug width delivers balanced proportions, comfortable for all-day wear for business and sports.